What's up guys, my name is Alex, welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I have something really special for you that's really gonna help to boost your YouTube career. So this video is also made possible by TubeBuddy, so a big shout out to them for kindly sponsoring this video because I am super excited because this is a tool that you will definitely use in your YouTube career. So TubeBuddy is basically a tool that will help you push out your videos, to optimize your videos, anything like that. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do all of that in this video, so make sure to smash the like button down below, and I would say let's get started. So when you go to the first link in the description, you will find this link which brings you to TubeBuddy.com. And basically what we're gonna do, this is going to be an extension that we're gonna download for our browser. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and click on install free on Chrome. Then it's going to ask you for permission in order to install the plugin. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on add to Chrome, and you want to also just click on allow, and now the plugin is basically downloading, and then we can go ahead and start using it. Okay, so as you can see right now it says added to Chrome. So basically what we're gonna do then is we're gonna go over to our video manager on YouTube. Okay, so when we refresh the page at the top it says TubeBuddy sign in required. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on here, and what we're gonna do then is we're gonna sign in with YouTube, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on our accounts. So we're gonna pick our YouTube channel right here, and we're gonna just basically log in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on allow. So once we've done that, as you can see, it says successfully signed in, and all those icons appear next to your videos. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to get started and how to use this plugin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and click on this icon next to our video. It brings up this box, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna show all the features because otherwise this video would be really long, but just for the sake of this video, to keep it relatively short, I'm gonna just cover the most important tools that you can use with TubeBuddy. So we're gonna start off with copy the cards. So let's say that you have 500 videos on YouTube. There is no way that you're gonna do all the cards one by one because that's gonna take hours in order to, and even if you have thousands of videos, that's gonna take way too long. So what we can do is we can go ahead and we're gonna click on copy, and right here you want to basically fill in the URL of your video. You can type in the custom message, for example, check out this video, and you can also do that for the teaser text. And once we've done that, we're gonna just click on it, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and hit continue. And right now what you can do is you can select all the videos that you want to apply this card, so everything will happen in bulk. And that means that all 500 videos will have the same card that you just filled in. So a really cool feature, and that is basically a thing you can do with the cards option with TubeBuddy. So the next thing is basically the same, you know, if you want to add in for 500 videos or X amount of videos the same end cards or end screens, you can just go ahead and copy one, or you can apply a template. Very cool. And right here at the bottom it says syndicate publish to Facebook, and this will allow you directly share your video on Facebook. Obviously I haven't linked my Facebook page, but what you can do is you can just add your Twitter, you can link your Facebook, you can do all of that, and then you will basically be able to go ahead and share your videos directly on those social media platforms that you have linked. So a very cool feature. And that's basically for this column. The next one is video SEO. So that means video SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, meaning like how to rank your videos higher in the search results. So right here it says caption service. So basically what you can do is add captions to this video professionally transcribed by 3Play Media. So you can go ahead and order captioning service. What you can do is you can go ahead and do that real quick. You guys can just go ahead and see it for yourself. Very cool. And then at the bottom we have like search positions, suggested tags, a tag translator, and right here it says promote. So let's say that you want to promote your videos to multiple websites. If you shared your video on Facebook, this will turn green, and so you can see on which website you have not or did share your video. So if all those icons are checked, but for example the Twitter icon is still gray, that means you haven't shared it on Twitter yet. So a very cool tool, and that is basically what you can do. You can also use the social monitor and the vid to vid promotion, and you can also go ahead and do it like this. You have the schedule option, meaning that you can schedule videos just like on YouTube. You know, you can choose unlisted or public. You can add in playlist. You can just go ahead and you know, check if you want to have a reminder 24 hours before the video goes live, everything like that. Very, very cool. And that's basically what you can do. Right here it says thumbnail generator, so that means that you can actually start generating thumbnails. It's very, very cool. You guys can figure that out, and that's basically an awesome thing that TubeBuddy does. And you can also do like pick a winner if you're just running a contest, or for example on a giveaway, you can just pick a winner and they will pick a winner for you. So that's a very cool feature as well, and that's basically what they are doing. So if you go over to the Launchpad, you can just go ahead and have a checklist, best practices or opportunities, quick links. For example, you can go ahead and check your overview, your real-time analytics, your earnings, watch time, audience retention, and everything like that. You can go ahead, if you click on info, you will see the video ID of the selected video, the direct video link, the playlist link. For example, if you want to share this video, but you want to make sure that you share the video that's in the playlist to generate more views, that's also possible. And you can also write notes. For example, I still need a thumbnail, you know, you can just write that down. So that's a very cool extension, and that's basically what you're able to do with TubeBuddy. So if you go ahead and click on the top icon at the top of the page, and what's really, really cool and what caught my eye is that they have like, you know, milestone certificates. So you can go ahead and request a certificate for a certain milestone. Let's say that I want to have a certificate for 27 million views. If I go ahead and click on certificate, you can go ahead and choose if you want to download it and print it yourself, or you can even order like a border or like a frame, for example, like the silver play button has. It's a really, really cool feature, and they have so many benefits. So I would highly recommend check out this TubeBuddy extension, because that's a really, really helpful thing. And obviously you will have like messages and tools on this page. For example, right here it says bulk copy cards. Very cool. Like I've said, guys, this is basically how you can actually use TubeBuddy. Also at the top we have quick links to go to your dashboard, go to your videos, to playlists, live streaming, comments, messages, subscribers, and the analytics. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Also a big thanks to TubeBuddy for sponsoring this video, and I'm pretty sure you guys will use and love this tool to, you know, optimize your videos. Okay guys, and the last thing of today's video is basically the tag explorer. So let's say that you want to rank your videos as high as possible. What you can do is you can click on the tag explorer, and right here you can go ahead and look for your topic. So let's say that you made a cat video. What you can do is you can type in cat, and if you click on explore, right here what you can see is like the most used tags for cat videos. And we all know these days cat videos are so popular, because as you guys clearly can see, the search volume is just very, very high. The competition is very, very high. That means that there are so many different cat videos out that want to rank higher. So as you can see right here, it says cats, funny, animals, compilation, animal, fail, laugh, kitten, pets, funny cat, dog, pet, cute. So those are all keywords that you can use in order to rank your videos higher in the search result, and that's a really, really helpful feature as well. And right here you can also see the best time to publish. So if you go ahead and we're gonna click on here, what you can see is it says the overwhelming consensus YouTube experts is that the best time to publish is any day/time that you can consistently publish. What's most important is that your audience knows your publishing schedule and when to expect new content. Make sure to include your schedule on your channel banner. So that's a very good tip there. There are a couple of other recommended strategies that you can try if your schedule allows you the freedom to publish at any time. So strategy 1, I'm not going to read all of this, but basically what you want to do is you want to make sure that you will schedule your videos at least 3 hours before your audience gets active on YouTube, so it will be on time in the sub box, as you guys can read right here. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your real-time view analytics and examine your last 24 hours chart to find what hours of the day you get peak viewership and publish 2 or 3 hours before that. So that's a really, really helpful and true tip as well, and that's basically what you can also use in order to schedule your videos and, you know, the tag explorer, anything like that. So that's basically TubeBuddy. And what's really important, guys, if you are already using TubeBuddy before you saw this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. That really supports the channel. So that's going to be it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the continuous support, and I'll catch you guys obviously in a brand new video on the channel. So I'll catch you guys real soon.